So here's how to make money fast in Schedule 1. First, you can either list your products in here, for example, and you can increase the price, asking for about 20 to 30 more than the suggested price. For example, here I'm asking for 60 instead of 38. Now when you get an offer like this, you can accept the offer and then increase the price again by another 20 to $30, and that you get, like that, you get more money for the same amount of work. So I got an offer in here that I can deliver. 30 kush for 2045. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.